Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to mark bills as paid in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is going to be, of course, to log into your account. But once you're logged in, just go to purchases, and under purchases, you'll find bills. Click on the bill that you want to mark as paid, and then click make a payment. And once that's done, you got to enter payments details, as well as, of course, the dates, the account used, the method, whether it's bank transfer or not. Just select of all that information, and then you're going to add a reference note if needed. And once that's done, just click save. Now the bill status will update to paid or partially paid. And that's how to keep your vendor records up to date. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to categorize transactions in Wave. So stay tuned for that. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.